Alright, so we're going to put on the RL FatFour Customs brake kit. So first off, you're going to grab the ring, stick that on the hub. This ring actually fits really nice. The ring from Fast Brakes did not do, it didn't fit. It wouldn't fit at all. So that's why we're using the FatFour Customs RL kit. And I just put a bunch of ceramic grease on the hub, so I'm going to clean that up real quick, or the studs. And then I'm going to put some ceramic grease on that ring so it doesn't stick to the rotor. Just for peace of mind. I don't know if it's truly necessary or not. Then we're going to grab the bracket with the short bolts. Yes, I know they look long. Kind of an interesting kit, to be honest. Seems well thought out. I mean, they even got lobing in there to get extra material in it, which also isn't there in the Fast Brakes kit. So what we're going to do is thread those all the way through. 5/8 for now. I don't know if it'll be changed in the future or not, but it's 5/8 on this one. I'm just going to thread them all the way through initially. And then we're going to just hand start the nylock nuts on the back side of those. You don't go all the way down, because you got to torque the bolts first, but just so then they're ready for the torque. And the torque specs are going to be 70 foot-pounds on the bolts. So we're going to set our torque wrench to 70. And grab our socket. Then for the back side, that will be an 18 fits best. Don't know why, but more metric the better, I guess. And this one's going to be torqued to 40. So let me get the wrench set to 40. And we're actually going to get those all the way on. Just get them snugged up so then you could not sit there with the torque wrench forever. And then once those are snugged up, get your torque wrench set to 40 for the nuts on the back side. And then what we're going to do is put the rotor on. Just for ease of the video, I'm going to put a lug nut on there. Then we're going to get the caliper lined up. And the long bolts with 243 loctite. That's going to be a blue loctite, but it seems to be a red package. He said Loctite to prevent corrosion on dissimilar metals. And I'm just going to get those hands started. And those will be torqued to 60 foot-pounds. And those will be a 13/16. Remember to hand start everything. The bracket is aluminum, and you don't want to strip those threads, especially because it's easy to cross thread aluminum. So you always want to hand start them. And then just snug them up with the 13/16. And then those get torqued down to 60 foot-pounds. So we're going to set the wrench to 60. Double check. And that's how you install the FatFour Customs RL adapter bracket. And steering's locked, of course. But I got this kit because whenever I put new rotors on with the Fast Brakes kit, it always rubbed the caliper on the front side, this outside face. Always rubbed the inside of the caliper. So I got the FatFour Customs kit because they're dedicated to fitment, and I assume it'll work better. That's all for this video. I don't need to show you how to put the tire on. I mean, and I gotta fight this ring for my rim anyway. So that's how you install the kit. Take care.